Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we are going to see that HTML page is visible or not in Spring Boot. It is not visible in my system. So what I have to do? Let me check firstly it's visible or not. So you can type here HTML. So HTML. So you can see that HTML file is not visible. So what I have to do? I have to go in help and install new software, and here I can take that link. So if I will take the all available site, so it's taking lots of time. So wait 1 second, let me pause the video. Okay, no need to pause, directly go and check. Directly you can take this link and you can select this option web XML Java EE. So this option, okay, and then do next. Okay, it will take a little bit more time because it's totally depend on your internet connection. Okay, my internet is little bit slow, so it's taking little bit time, so I have to do pause and unpause also. Okay, now you can see that after that it will show this option and you have to select this web developer tool, then do the next. Okay, then next. In between it may ask some option to select, so just select all boxes and mm, do the next. Okay, and you have to be, and here we have to finish. Then it will ask to restart, but it will take little bit time before. Okay, if in between it will ask any option, just select okay, okay, and next. Okay, so no need to worry and follow this steps. Then you can download the HTML file. Okay, let it be take time, not more. Okay, then restart now. Okay, okay. Then we can check here HTML file is visual or not. So for that, just right click on template, new path, other, then right here HTML. Yeah, HTML. Yeah, HTML file is visible, you can see that, and now you can create the HTML page, and you can do, and you can create your front end page in Spring Boot. Okay, just I am creating one HTML page about .html, about .html, finish. Yeah, so you can see that it's created or not. So wait, let it be create. Okay, done. Yeah, done. You can see that HTML page has been created.